Now let's learn circular pattern. If you recall the circular sketch pattern, it is similar to that. But instead, over here, we will able to create a circular pattern of feature and body. So it's going to create a multiple instances of one or more feature that you can space uniformly around an axis. That's what it makes it circular pattern. Axis can be circular edge, linear edge or linear sketch line, cylindrical face or surface, revolved surface or angular dimension. So any of these can be used as a directions. You can control pattern by instance spacing and angle between them. Now other options are similar to the linear pattern. If you look at very carefully the circular pattern property manager, we have to give the directions as usual like a linear pattern, and you have two options, either have a instance spacing or equal spacing. Equal spacing means the number of instances and in between the angle between them will be uniform in case of equal spacing. Same is for direction too, and you can use either face, feature and body to pattern. Now through exercise 6.7, 6.8 and 6.9 will strengthen our concept of circular pattern. So let's dive into SolidWorks. Now open the part 6.5 circular pattern. Here you can see there is a circular wheel and a cut feature is provided to you. Now let's pattern this cut feature by 8 instances across the 360 degree. So select the circular pattern. Now make sure circular pattern is also available in under the sketch, but it is only for creating pattern of sketch geometry. But here it is under feature, so it is obviously going to help you to create a circular pattern of features and bodies. So both are different. Now it is recommended that you go for creating the linear pattern, circular pattern under the feature rather than into the sketch. Now go ahead and click the circular pattern. Now for the direction, you can choose any linear edge, either outside, inside, or let me choose this part, this circle. So automatically SolidWorks pick up its center axis. Now the angle is 15. Here, instead of this instance spacing, I will choose equal spacing. Only I have to give the number of instances I want. So under the feature and faces, select this, or either you can select from here or you can just from this drop down select this feature. You can see the preview. It is equally spaced as given in the options. If you want to control the instances between them, let's say I want to control the angle, let's say it is 25. Let's increase few more. So between these two instances, the 35 angle is maintained. So from second to third, again it is 35. So this is the direction in which it is pattern is flowing. If you want to reverse this, just click this. But in most of the cases, circular pattern are equispaced. So select these options. Now here, it is not mandatory to give the 360 degree. It is called filling angle. That is, you are going to pattern entirely on 360 degree. If you choose them, let's say 180 degree or let's say 270. So within 270, so this is 180 and 90. So within 270, it is going to place 8 instances. Let's say I want to make it 180. Now here, the instance is getting overlapped. So we need to reduce the number, right? So this is the meaning of this filling angle. So based on the value you have given, SolidWorks will simply try to fill the instances between the given value. Go ahead and click OK. So this way, using circular pattern, you can pattern the feature. Now for exercise 6.8, go ahead and click new part file. Now on top plane, I'm going to create a rectangle of equal distance. Now go ahead and extrude it. Let's say 10 millimeter. Now on this, I want to draw a slot. So for that, I require center line. So I will choose midpoint as a guiding reference. So select the slot tool. So from here to here. Now let's give the dimensions. So this is exactly at 15. Radius is 3. And its center to center distance is 20. Now let's go ahead and create extrude cut. Make sure it is through all. I want to create a pattern, but I require axis. So earlier in module, we learned how to create the reference geometry. So I will create axis between two planes. So I will choose front plane as well as right plane and go ahead and click OK. So this is our reference axis. Now I can pattern the cut feature. Go ahead and start with the circular pattern. Now for direction 1, we have to choose this axis. Now I want to create instance spacing options. I want to use these options. So it is, let's say 30 degree and total is, let's say 3 in one directions. Now let's choose this feature. So in one direction, there are total 3 instances spaced at 30 degree, but I want to create in another direction. So turn on the direction 2. Now this time, instead of let's say it is 30 degree, and instead of that value I will increase to 6. So in one direction it is 3 and in second direction it is totally 6. So this way you can utilize the direction 1 and 2 in circular pattern to create the pattern of a given geometry. Go ahead and click OK. If you want, you can try the different options. Now here in direction 2, instead of this instance spacing, if I choose symmetric options, so it will simply adopt the direction 1 value, that is 3 on this side as well as 3 on a second direction. So this is where the symmetric option is given. Go ahead and click OK. Now for exercise 6.9, start new part file. On a front plane, create new sketch. Now draw the circle of 38 diameter. Draw another circle of 180. And extrude it by 2 millimeter. On the front face, create new sketch. Now create new circle whose value is 48. Now make it construction. Again start a circle and give the value 5 as given in exercise. Go ahead and cut it. Now let's pattern. Click on circular pattern. This time under the feature, I will choose this small hole, and as direction, I will choose this edge. Here it is having, as given in the exercise, it is spread across 360 degree and the total instance is 6. So it is correct. Go ahead and click OK. Now again, open new sketch. Here, draw the center line. Now, let's draw the slot. Give the appropriate dimensions. 12. Radius is 2. Now from here to here, the angle is 135. And its distance from the center is 75. So from here to this origin is 75. Now create a cut feature. Go ahead and click OK. Now let's pattern this feature. So there are total 25 slots. So invoke circular pattern. Select this slot tool. As a direction, you can choose outer diameter. Here there are total 25 slots. So enter the instances 25 and right click. Press Ctrl 7 to see the results. Let's create the central cutout. Let's add a circle over here whose diameter is 140. Now let's draw the line like this. And let's add the value. So it is offset from this origin by 20. Now let's trim unwanted part. Let's give the fillet value. It is 5 and there are 18 fillets. So this one and right click. Also fillet this corner and right click. Now let's give the angle value. From here to here it is 60. And this length is of 35 as given in exercise. Now go to feature and create extrude cut. Make sure through all option is selected. Now let's pattern this central cutout. So start the circular pattern. Now instead of selecting in graphics window, I will expand this and choose this extrude cut feature 3. And for direction, I will choose this inside part. Now instead of 35, I'll go for 6 for equal spacing for 360 degree filling angle. Go ahead and click OK. So this way, by using circular pattern, you can achieve the desired result and you can improve your work efficiency in 3D solid modeling. Now let's create exercise 6.10. Open a new part file. Click OK. The unit is in millimeter. So create a sketch on a front. Draw the center line because it is circular geometry. Now let's draw the outer geometry. Now let's give the dimensions. This is 6. This is also 6. Now this diameter distance is 85 as given in 2D sketch, and outer diameter is 150. Now let's revolve and click OK. Now on this face, open the sketch. Here, let's draw a circle and add the value of its diameter. It is 12 as given. Now it is located on a pitch circle diameter having 60 value. So let me draw like this and turn into construction geometry. Now this is going to be 120. In the sketch it is given 60. So double of it, 120. Now let's align with this origin. So it is exactly vertical. Now let's go ahead and create extrude cut feature. Let's create circular pattern. So this is our feature we want to pattern. Under the direction, choose this inside circle, or you can choose any circular edge. So it's a total 8 circles. Go ahead and click OK. Now let's try to create the upper geometry. Select this face and click OK. Now select this and convert into entities. Because exactly they are aligned, I can also turn this circle as well. So I took that bottom circle as a reference. Now let's draw a circle, outer circle, whose radius is 10. So total diameter is 20. And from this, draw a vertical line. Similarly, from this, draw vertical line. Now let's trim. Go to the feature and click extrude. Change the direction and give the thickness 6. Click OK. Now let's create circular pattern. From here, choose this boss extrude feature, and as a part of direction, choose this inner face. Now here the total instance is 4. Click OK. Press Ctrl 7. Now let's give the fillet. So start the fillet command. Choose radius value 2. Select this and right click. This way, by using circular pattern, you can create the 3D model.